Hello and welcome. Today we'll see how to download and install Zotero referencing software, and we'll also see how we can add this referencing software into our browsers so that we can easily connect the referencing software with online articles. And we'll also see how we can add it to the Microsoft Word file so that we can add easily the citations while we are working. So let us first download and install the Zotero software. For this, we'll go to the Zotero official website, zotero.org, and from there, we will click on download. First of all, we'll select this download 64-bit for Windows Zotero, since we are using Windows operating system, and this will immediately start the download for this software. And we'll go to the download folder, and after it gets downloaded we'll click double click on this setup for the Zotero software, and it will start installing. First it is extracting files, then it will start installing itself. Click yes, and next we'll keep it to the standard, no customizations here. Next, install, and it will start installing Zotero, and it is quite easily and fast installed. Finish. And when it gets installed, we will see an interface like this, and an icon of Zotero into our interfaces. So our second task is to add connectors into our web browsers. So you can see here, install Chrome connector if you are using a different browser, or if you prefer a different browser, you can see other browsers from here. But since I am using Chrome, I will install the Chrome connector from here. So you can see add to Chrome. I will click on this add to Chrome. This will allow me to collect the articles from the online into the Zotero while I am working with it. With it, add extension, and it will be added to our um, Chrome browser. So to check if it is connected or not, we can see from here. We can see Zotero connector is added to our Chrome extensions. So the second task is done, and for the third part, we want to add it to our Word file so that while working, we can easily cite our works. So initially, this is the Zotero interface homepage, you can say. And now we'll go to the Word file to see if a Zotero is available there. If not, we will add the Zotero into there. So we'll open a Word file. Usually when Zotero is installed, if everything is okay, Zotero will be automatically connected into your Word file. You can see Zotero is automatically here. If you don't see this tab into your Word file, then you would need to go to the Zotero homepage by opening the software, and from the edit, go to the settings. From the settings, you will have to go to the site, and from the site, if you go down, you will see Microsoft Word processors. The Microsoft Word add-in is currently installed. Since it is already installed, that is why it is showing here. And if you don't see Zotero tab into your Word file, then you will see install Microsoft Word in. Since it is already installed in my Word file, it is saying reinstall Microsoft Word in add. Click on this one and it will be automatically added to your Word file. So this is how you can download and install Zotero referencing software into a desktop, and also add it to your browser, and ultimately add it to your Microsoft Word as well. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please do give a like and subscribe to it. Thank you. Bye bye.